Today, I'm going to show you how to add country of origin data to your Shopify products. Oftentimes, when creating international shipping labels, you need to indicate the country where each product was manufactured on the customer form. So let's get started. First, log into your Shop Admin account and then click on Products. Now, let's start with this product, Copper Light. Select it. Once it loads, scroll down until you find the Shipping section. Since it's a physical product, select this option and then click on Add Customs Information. Right here, you can add the country of origin data. So let's assume this product was made in the United States. Select United States and then save the changes. Now the country of manufacturer is saved with this particular product. If you have products with multiple variants, you have to add the country of origin to every single variant. To streamline this process, you can use the bulk edit feature. Select all the products in your store, for example, 13 products. Then click on Bulk Edit. Once the bulk editor loads, go to the top right corner. Click on Columns and scroll down until you find the Shipping section. Then select Country of Origin. Now you will see the Country of Origin column. Start with the first cell. For this example, assume all products were made in the United States. Select US for the first cell, then click and hold the bottom right corner and drag it down to fill the rest of the cells. Now you've added the country of origin to all products. Click Save Changes. Finally, go back and open the first product again. Scroll down and you'll see the country of origin saved there. That's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful.